Hi guys, I wanted to show you my plan that I've made here for my bike. As you can see, I parked my bike in a wheel chock. I welded angle iron L brackets to the wheel chock, and then I've added raw bolts to the floor, which is a concrete floor, which results the wheel chock to be stable and it doesn't fall over. So what I want to show you now is how to use it, and yeah, that's how I park my bike in the garage. My bike never stands on the side stand, so let me show you how that works. Okay guys, the bike is ready. I'm going to pull it in now. If you have the ways or means to get a chock like this for your garage, I would certainly recommend it. It makes my life much easier when I come into the garage, put the bike in the chock, and it's done. Let me show you. And that's it. As easy as that. Thanks for watching guys. I'll catch you in the next one.